Hey guys, welcome back again. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix have to reset RAM to boot every time on your PC. So for this guys, I will show you 4 methods for fix this problem. So guys, first one, hard reset your computer. So first turn off your computer and then remove the all peripherals. Remove the all connections, disconnect the power cord. If you are using the laptop, then remove its battery and disconnect the charger cord. Now attach the all connections and battery and turn your computer. And the second method, clean the RAM sticks and RAM slots. The third method, try the another RAM or RAM sticks. The fourth and final method, clean the CMOS battery. Hopefully guys, after this it will fix your problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.